What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCC Train 2022. So, I'm working right now on my dream layout. At the same time, I decided to do test layout. I'll tell you why. And in 2022, it's not too late to start another YouTube channel. You're probably laughing like, That's fine." Like crazy. How many channels do you have? I have three. It's DCC Train Live for installation, like long streams, and DCC Train Plus for Russian speaking audience. And now it's there already, link in the description. Model Trains Automation. That's what I'm not seeing a lot. So I'm continue working on my dream layout. The test layout will be for do all that testing for automated process. I'm using iTrain, uh, Bob making great tutorials. Link will be in the description to his channel about iTrain, how to operate, and the people building exactly what he's doing with iTrain, but I'm not seeing a lot of videos. Maybe I'm missing something. So, not too late to open channel in 2022. And here I go. My main, and you probably saw tons of videos. I'm testing a lot. So it's almost 27 feet long and about 15 feet wide loop at this point. But I'm putting a lot of stuff to have a lot of fun. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video about woodwork bench and all preparation for it. Thanks for supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.